Hey guys, I just wanted to take a minute and share with you my, kind of heavy, my Chalk Couture box that I just got in. So I thought we would do an unboxing today. Pretty excited to get this. This was a business kit. I think it was like $99 for a business kit, and then just paid shipping and all. But let's just see what they have inside. So the first one, this is so cute. This is huge. It is, this box frame is 9 by 12. So it's really huge. It's nice. It's real sturdy too. It comes with a countdown calendar for Christmas. Too cute. I can't wait to do that. That would be great for my grandkids. It comes with some of the sample paints. Oh, sorry, I should have did that before I actually came on here, but I didn't want to open the box until you guys got here. I just pulled the tape off. It's got this cute little wreath, and I think it's a magnet on the back, I think, but I can't wait. And then it comes with the little, the paste holder and the scraper, the silicone scraper. And then it came with a candy apple red, a pesto green, and a black velvet. So I can't wait. I've got to go and purchase some other colors, but when I looked the last time, I had looked to get like some of the white and a couple of the different greens, but they were completely sold out. So if you're interested, you gotta definitely get on it quickly because they are selling out fast. There's actually been quite a few YouTubers that have been getting these business boxes as well, and I got mine. I joined as a subscription under Jackie and Crafting and Mimi's World, and so yeah, it's a really good deal. Thinking this may be maybe a transfer or something. Oh yes, yeah, so that's very pretty, very thankful, grateful, incredibly blessed. I love that. That's pretty. So that's what their transfer came in. It actually has a little do not bend sign on it, so it lets everybody know. Then, ooh, it's a little folder. Tells you what's all in your starter kit. And then it tells you your, sorry for the glare, designer startup guide. So, yeah, this was for, to be a designer for Chalk Couture. And then it's got like a, yeah, it's just a autumn and winter catalog, so it kind of shows you all the different products they have. And guys, I first seen Chalk Couture a couple years ago on a crafting YouTube channel that I watched, and I thought, man, that is so neat. I really wanted to try it, but when I started looking at it, I thought that it was maybe a little pricey. I'm very frugal, guys. So so it's affordable. Let me just say that. It's affordable, and I wasn't doing a lot of crafts at the time, so I didn't think it would be beneficial for me. But now as I'm going, and you know, I make a lot of wreaths and swags, and I'm doing a bunch of different crafts on my channel, then I really thought that they would come in really handy, especially with me being able to make my own signs for my wreaths, and I thought that would be great. So some other transfers that came in it is this for the little Chalk Couture, and then these oh my goodness, I'm just all thumbs today. Then these really cute other transfers. So if you ever like to do those, what do you call those? Goodness, those signs from the Dollar Tree, these are a really great size, and so are some of these other ones. So like these here, this is the Mistletoe, and that's so cute. These will be really great size for those signs as well. So I cannot wait to use them, guys. And then here, like these are like all year round. You can do a lot of things with these greenery transfers. And then I got this silver and white winter, this little bird, so super cute. And then I really like this one. It's the little multi-trees. I'm so sorry for the glare, guys. I'm in my living room, and so it's got a little glare. So I can't wait. What am I doing? Ooh, so I'm sorry. I was trying to read what these are, and these are it's a pack, and it's chockable chips. So I don't quite know yet, but I'm thinking that you could just put your little transfer designs on these. That's so cute. And it comes with a board base. On the back is where gives you what to attach it to. And this is a 5x7. Ooh, so I actually got more paste, and oh, this is the one. This is one of the ones that I was wanting. This is the bright white, and I was really wanting this. My colors this year for Christmas are black, white, and like a sage green. So man, I can't wait. I'm glad I got this. And then we got more samples in another pack. So we got this Bumblebee Yellow, Couture Teal, Eucalyptus. I saw this and I was really wanting to see the color. I think this one is going to be close to the green that I have, or that I'm aiming for my decor. Then they've got this guava, or is that how you say it? I don't know. And then they've got this green meadow. It's really pretty. And this blue is super, super pretty. I'm sorry. Ocean Mist. Man, they must have sent like a sample of every one of their pastes. I'm surprised. I didn't know. So we got another candy apple. We've got a shimmer silver. So I think this might have some like little glitter. And just so you guys know, these are all washable. Then I've got this coral color. So you can kind of wash them off of things. The shimmer gold. We've got an orange peel. And then we've got this colonial blue. These are so pretty, the colors, I love them. So we got, looks like a small squeegee. And we've got another one of the, I guess it's a squeegee. It helps you put the paste on. And then this, I don't know what this is. Oh my Lanta, I'm getting old. It says it's a multi-tool, so I'll have to look into it. So it kind of looks like a little chisel. So it's kind of like a flathead screwdriver or chisel on one end, and then it's got this other, but this is kind of like a flathead too. I don't know if you guys can tell. Huh. I'm gonna have fun getting to learn this stuff. And then we've got the fuzzing cloth. So this is for whenever you have your transfers, before you use your transfers, you take it and you actually apply it on your fuzzy cloth a few times to make it to where it's not as sticky. So that is good. And then, oh, I got an apron. I chalk couture apron. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. Well, I am so excited to get to start using all these. Heck, I might even do some crafts this weekend with it. We'll see. I've got some collabs that I'm wanting to participate in coming up and everything, so we'll see how everything's turned out. And I just want to say thanks for stopping by, and I hope you guys have a great and blessed weekend. Bye.